Calling all ice cream lovers. This place will be your heaven. It's the Ice Cream Museum in Chicago. Check it out. It's so cool. So first things first, make a name tag. Your name is your favorite ice cream flavor. I'm Cookie Monster. Okay, look at this. It's like a mock L. It's so cute, amazing photo op, Instagrammable. First ice cream starts here with the Dove bars. Delicious. Here's the cocktail bar in the lounge room. That's so cute. Okay, now here's the ice cream lab. This is where I made my own ice cream. I felt like such a scientist pro. So cute, so pink, my dream. Okay, so this is what I did. I concocted it. I put in some vanilla, some olive oil, which shook me, but they said it made the texture really good. Fun fact, ice cream is made up of dairy, sugar, vanilla, and over 40% air. Like, what? That's what I learned there. Anyway, this is not sponsored, by the way. I just am showing you how cool it is for like a date, for kids, for friends. It's awesome. Okay, this is the toppings. I picked out a ton. And now we made our own ice cream on this cold tray. Peep it. I felt like a pro. Okay, so I chopped it, pooched it, put it all over. There it is. Went up and down, made it all together, made it smushy. It was awesome. They told me exactly what to do. I was like a pro in the kitchen here, as you can see by my serious faces. Okay, then I put it in, and I'm going to try it right after, and I didn't know if I'd like it, but I ended up loving it. I put strawberry in it, which was crazy. Okay, here's this room. There's some vanilla ice cream in the corner of this room. By the way, the ice cream here is unlimited. Like, you can just get as much of whatever you want from any of the stands. This room I thought was super cute. I took some cute Insta pics in there. This room, everyone said where they're from. This one's super Instagrammable. This was the history room, which I thought was awesome. We learned the history of a bunch of ice creams, saw this, it was like a real museum, and then this area over here had the different smells, so you would smell it and then guess what ice cream flavor it was, which was awesome. This was my favorite room. Hot dog room / ice cream mini golf room. Here's me hitting the little golf ball. Those shoes killed my feet, by the way, still can't walk. Anyway, so we were hitting the golf balls in, my boyfriend got his little golf fix, then we headed over here. These are real buns, and then they put ice cream in the middle that was hot dog flavored and real relish and real mustard on it. Here's me trying it because I love hot dogs, but I was skeptical about it. Ended up loving it. It tasted like a hot dog, but cold. I don't know if I'd ever eat it again, actually, but it was really good. Okay, then this room's like an arcade. Check it out. Beat my boyfriend in this game. It was really fun. We stayed in this room the longest. And then in the corner of this room, there was cotton candy and sherbet options. I think sherbet for the ice cream, which were yummy. Check out this funhouse mirrors, and then this sprinkle pool. Cute.